Yeah, I'll
Gotcha.
echo that one too. That's been one of the largest increases in application I've seen for fisheyes. They used to sort of just be throw them up on a big building in a big warehouse or a big space and be able to see things. But the advantage of having one in an intersection hallway, whether that's three of them or even like a cross intersection, is everything Matthew said. But going back to the cost, every single camera costs more there. It's going to cost extra hard drive space to record 4 cameras to cover that similar ground with some blind spots. So they're really good for those scenarios. And I've seen a lot in multi-level buildings where they'll have a traditional fixed lens camera at the elevator, and then basically fisheyes are covering the rest of the hallways because they already know what you look like, they already see everything else. So even if that fisheye isn't giving them the best detail in the world, it's still they're piecing those 2 cameras together to get the full scene.
Let me dig in on that for a second and talk about the cost. With a fisheye in this scenario that we're talking about, right at the center point where 2 hallways create a juncture,
Mhm.
and you go to put that in, yeah, you've got a little bit of a more expensive camera, but the main thing you're saving is the installation costs of running one cable there. You run one
Mm.
cable, you plug it in, you're done. If you do the other way, where at the junction point you're creating 2 cameras at each angle, and so you got 6 cameras total, each one 2 cameras for each hallway. Um, you now have 6 cable drops you've got to get into the budget, and
Mhm.
that's where your real expense starts to come in, is the
Mhm.
cable drops. It's not necessarily the equipment cost that you're saving there; it's the having to run the cable itself is expensive.
Thank you so much for watching this In the Trenches Roundtable clip. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out that full video and the link in the description below, or reach out to us at getscw.com. Looking forward to helping.